So what we got here is one of the rarest washes to date. So what happened is I just got these in the mail from Robin's Jean, and as you can tell, this is supposed to be the Leopard Safari Khaki wash. The stud work is pretty much what it was advertised. But if you look here, I mean, this does not look like leopard print. This looks like a Rainforest wash. If you go on the site and look up Rainforest wash, it looks like just like a total misprint. And if you tell, this belt loop is wrong. This is a misprint because on the site it advertises the two gold ones that are close to the center right here and there are supposed to be these black nail head studs, and for some reason that's not what they are. I don't know if Robin can explain what happened here, but this does not, if you guys look up Leopard Safari Khaki, this does not look like it. This looks like Rainforest, gold Rainforest wash. So anybody like doubting if these are legit pairs, these are my misprint Leopard Safari. I've already showed that these studs are wrong, and if you can tell, the wash is, I mean, it does not look right. This looks like a Rainforest wash. If you ask me, it doesn't really look like the leopard. It doesn't look as advertised. If anybody doubts it, sorry to go Call of Duty Black Ops on you, but I don't want nobody seeing my shit. And as you can see, that is the wash. That's what it's supposed to be. I just got these. And then you can tell the date. This is about the time it was released, pretty much. So, these are for sure a rare wash. It is a misprint.